And we're back. Hello, this is Jim Grisanzio. We're at Oracle Code Dubai and Oracle Open World Middle East, and I'm here with Anji Maram. Anji, welcome.
Jim, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for having me here.
Good, very nice. This
morning,
is day 2 of the event,
That's right.
and you're from Critical River
I'm from Critical River.
in San Francisco, right?
It's a San Francisco-based company. I'm a founder and CEO of Critical River.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm glad I'm here in Dubai. This is my first time here.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
What are your first impressions of the city itself first?
It's amazing. I mean,
Really?
I've heard in many movies and all, but I heard from my friends. But I think I'm having a great time here. It's definitely worth for all that applause people say. Totally worth it, but the event especially, so much crowd. I didn't expect this much crowd. Oracle Open World happens in San Francisco pretty much every year, but I think this is the first time they're having here. It's fantastic crowd. I believe so much energy here.
Great.
So much energy here. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to about 5 o'clock tonight when it's all over.
And celebrate, party,
Because I'm losing my voice and
get some foot massage, everything.
exactly.
Yeah.
So we were talking a little bit earlier, and you did a session, I think you said yesterday, on the new back office. So what is the new back office? I know what back office is, but in general sense, but what is the new back office?
So the new back office primarily revolves around streamlining the procurement, purchasing, and financial transactions, automating all these transactions for the suppliers, basically. So most of the times customers have Oracle ERP software, pretty much, that helps running their procure-to-pay process and everything. A lot of times suppliers don't have visibility on what's happening in the back office. Every time suppliers have to pick a phone and then call procurement team or finance team on the client on the side customer side, and then suppliers find out details about what's happening, or they call supply chain manager. Hey, did you receive my goods? Is everything passed? Quality check. There are so many activities happen in the back office, but suppliers don't have visibility most of the times. What we have done for one of the enterprise customer in Dubai, in UAE, so we actually automated their back office so that their suppliers have a complete end-to-end visibility of what's happening in the back office. So suppliers can log into the system, can be onboarded very seamlessly, and it is very high secure. The system can be either on customer infrastructure on-premise, or this can be on cloud. So, and it is tightly integrated with back office. But what suppliers get is a 360-degree view of the complete transaction view. They can get a view of all the supply chain transactions, for example, whether they won the bid or not, the sourcing workflow, and their complete visibility of their contracts, and then complete visibility of purchase orders, and then complete end-to-end flow of invoice. The suppliers can create an invoice on the system, and it will go into Oracle seamlessly, and then Oracle approve the payment. Suppliers can immediately see when they get paid. So typically, most of the time, suppliers do inquire the phone, inquire in the email. There's so much manual communication, so much Excel. But here in this system, once we have this solution and software from Critical Level, this IP from Critical Level team, a great engineering team has done a fantastic job. So building this one.
So what are some of the, okay, so you described some of the features and some of the things that you offer and some of the reasons why customers would engage you. What are some of the pain points? I mean, in other words, what are some really hard things that you're trying to solve specifically, and for a customer that maybe you have a specific use case that you've overcome recently, like an example.
Yeah.
I'm particularly interested in what hard problems are being solved here.
Exactly. So the key problems that we're solving here, there is so much manual communication that gets lost. There's no for audit purposes. A lot of times procurement team don't know what they are responding, and it's kind of lost in the emails. But this system has everything logged in the system. It's completely, it supports audit compliance. That is number one. And in the email contract negotiations, there's so much lost. So they're kind of, companies waste a lot of money in this. So this solution can save a lot of money in negotiations primarily. And then it is a very manual intensive. So the customer has a lot of employees performing this job. So this one is like automated. So we can actually saving at least 50% of the savings from our customers. They're saying they're kind of able to save 50% of the money that they're spending on all these processes. So when they implement this solution, they can save 50%.
So you said a 50% savings?
50% of the cost that they're spending, they can save 50% of it.
So that's a pretty serious,
savings. Yeah.
Savings in cash.
Yeah,
so.
and then it's and then most important thing is the procurement team don't have the track on how much they're spending on supplies. They all have an Excel sheet, but the system has a beautiful dashboards, analytics, where procurement manager can log into the dashboard and then see what is their spend, how much they're exactly going to pay in the next 1 year, every month by month, basically. They have a beautiful spend analysis, analytics built into this platform as well. So overall, I think we're saving a lot of manual processes. That's a pain point, and then we're saving a lot of money for customers, basically, in this. Yeah.
Okay, so with Critical River, is it accurate to say you're like a partner of Oracle? Or
Yes.
okay, so you're offering your customers these services.
That's true.
Is there any kind of a developer developer interest here for developers?
That's true. Yeah. So Critical River is founded by ex-Oracle guys. So for me, I'm from Oracle. I worked in Oracle for 7 years, and then came out and then helped Oracle customers get benefits from Oracle applications. Right. So we pretty much know end to end what happens in Oracle technologies. We kind of were part of the invention team originally. So gaining that experience, so we actually build this solution in a open source technology, Java-based technology, the new JavaScript-based technology where it can bring a new beautiful UI, very user-friendly UI basically. So we're actually, we also call this as a platform as service. So customers have this and then they can build new business processes on this platform.
So customers can extend
easily, and then it's a purely microservices, web services based technology. It can seamlessly integrate with multiple cloud applications or on-premise applications. Okay. And we also call this as savings as service because we're doing a lot
of... What
is
a service?
Savings as service.
Savings as a service?
As a service because we're already seeing 50% of savings from our customers basically.
So that's a new, it's a new as a service.
New as a service.
A new acronym.
So many, new acronym basically. Yeah, we're proud to say that, we call it savings as a service. But it's a beautiful platform for customers to even get it and then enhance, add new business processes on top of it.
I like the description of beautiful. That's very rare that people will use that terminology. Actually.
I mean, our product management team came up with that. Credit goes to them. So Venkat, who lead this Dubai practice for us, he was brain behind this product, and then he's done a fantastic job able to build the system using engineers, and then he's able to help customers in Dubai here.
Cool.
Pretty much.
All right, great. So one last quick question. Your session was yesterday. I'm just wondering if you have any feedback from the attendees that you'd like to share, or really any kind of conversations that you had with anybody here at the conference.
So the session was full house. There were people standing and then listening as well. So we felt very great. It was received very well. And then as soon as they saw that in Dubai, in Middle East especially, right, the customers are now very open for trying new technologies. They all want to try new platforms, new applications, new cloud. They're actually very interested in going cloud. It's a very, very good time for various solution vendors like us, partners like us, to kind of help customers in multiple ways. And I got so many positive responses, so many requests for demos basically from various customers, right? So our team will be super busy here. We're adding more people in, to take care of the demand here. But it's fantastic crowd, and then very friendly crowd. I came with the low expectations, but it's just blown away basically. Very, very, very good friendly crowd, and then Dubai is obviously, I haven't done sightseeing yet, but I think
there's always tomorrow.
That's Friday and Saturday is booked for that. Basically, I'm looking forward to that. But very happy to be here, and then very happy to talk to you here. Yeah.
So if I'm a customer or if I'm a developer, how do I get a hold of you? How do I engage you?
So we have a booth here. Critical River sponsors us here, so we have a booth here. And then at criticalriver.com is our website. Critical River. It's a very catchy word. That's where our phone numbers are there, and then they can catch here. And then I think we have a Twitter. Critical River as a Twitter tag, and we have a LinkedIn presence. We have a Facebook presence. All they need to do is type Critical River, one word, and then boom, they can see all the details of us.
Cool. Well, we're streaming this out to Facebook. Actually, no, sorry. We're streaming this to Twitter, via Periscope. So you can hopefully retweet that.
Of course. I'll retweet, and then obviously our
and then also afterwards, when I get home, I'll edit the video a little bit and I'll put it on YouTube, so you can actually have it there as well.
That's perfect.
So Anji, thank you very much for coming. Appreciate it very much.
Thanks a lot for having me here.
It's a pleasure. And guys, we'll be back with more interviews soon. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.